So guys, it is June the 12th and it is a Sunday, and it is the day before my mom goes to the States. So that is why we are going to the beach today, so we can have some mother and daughter time, and also because I really want to go to the beach and my mom doesn't want me to go there alone. So yeah, I am just preparing for our food at the beach. So the one in there is pizza for me with vegan cheese, vegan pepperoni, and not pepperoni, salami, and then some vegan meat sauce. And then this is my mom's. Basically everything here is vegan as well except for the salami. Good morning. Toothbrush.
It smells like moldy cheese.
Moldy cheese. Oh, here's my outfit. Here's the outfit of the beach. So yeah, here's kind of like a sheer t-shirt, and then my mom's shorts.
White piece.
Yeah, no, this is mine. My mom just wears it. These shorts are my mom's, that she never wears. So have you seen my war bruise? Do you want to see it, guys? Let's see. Ah. We're on our way to the airport. My mom's not leaving me yet.
In some hours.
Not yet. So we are in the metro station. We're going to pick up her boarding pass.
Dit was misschien met wat dacht je tijdens of er wel?
We are at the airport. So here we are, guys. It's a very small airport. We're still looking for the boarding pass thing, and my mom needs to go to the toilet. Next year, I will go with. I'm so excited. So we did not get the boarding stuff. Apparently we have to go 4 hours before, or online 24 hours. Yeah, so we will go back tomorrow earlier.
We couldn't do that with Michael's boarding pass either, and it was online in the library, so I don't think you can do it here.
Yeah. See you tomorrow, airport. We are finally here, guys. Over there is Amager Beach. It's not, you know, Hawaii, but at least I can go swimming. My mom is going to dance. Are you doing it really? Oh, so many people. Yeah, I'm going to swim. And we have pizza with us, as I showed you before, and chips. I also have chips and candy and water, and then oranges.
Can we do
I
asthma
already.
after pizza? Please.
We don't have a tripod.
It doesn't matter.
Are we going to hold it?
Yeah, on top of the bag, of our bags.
Okay. And here's the market. Yeah, let's go to the seaside. Yeah. Oh, there's a doggy. Mama, there. Can you see the ones in white? They're running. We are at the beach. La la la. Pose. We're at the beach, and the sand feels so warm. Oh my God, she's angry. Feel the sun. It's warm. Yeah. So many people are nude. I can't see you guys. My mom's done filming 1 million videos. I really can't see you guys. I don't know. Can you see me? Oh yeah.
Is that the vlog?
Yeah, I need to open my eyes. It burns. Here's Mama.
With a rope.
Yeah, it's cold. And here's the
Tell them
sky.
what the Filipino girls were doing there.
Grilling.
What?
Chicken.
Pork.
Pork.
Adobo.
Adobong talong. Adobong porke.
Habol.
I think will be cold. Oh my god, it is super cold. I can see, guys, it's so cold. Look, but the water is super clear. But oh my god, it's cold. I don't know if I can do it, guys. It is so cold. I don't know if I can do it. But I have to do it or else I will regret it when I come home. So I'll have my mom film me. But it's so cold, I won't do it. What? Let's film Maria, guys. Yung belt, love. The belt. You lost the belt. You lost the belt. Was it cold?
Yeah, but while you were swimming, it was warm.
You? Really warm?
Yeah, I really mean it. While, oh, it makes you dizzy.
Ah.
While I was swimming,
Yeah.
it was warm.
Was it warm?
Yeah, but some got in my ear, so it's.
Uh-oh. It's the same problem every time Maria swims.
Guys, there's only 2 minutes left on this battery, so I will say goodbye and thank you for watching today's vlog. Tomorrow's vlog will be when my mom and I will go to the airport and we will say, and we will. So that is it for today's vlog, guys. I'm using my iPhone so I can edit here on the beach. I want to end it here on the beach because it looks so pretty. And oh, I do not look that bad right now. I thought I looked like a monster or something, but my hair is okay because it got wet, but for some reason didn't get like super. It got dry straight away. So oh, there's the camera. Okay, so yeah, I'm ending it here on the beach, and tomorrow when the next vlog is up, or not up, tomorrow when we will vlog, we will say goodbye to Mama and see you in 3 weeks. So today is like a little goodbye party. See you later. Oh, is it good? It looks good. Can you see yourself, Mama? So what do you have to say? Because tomorrow we will be stressed and stuff, so it will be hard.
See you later. I will FaceTime you. And you. And vlog at the airport and plane.
That's good, guys. The vlog is done, but we just want to show you this. People parasailing. Can you see
What they are seeing? How
they're parasailing? I think that is what it's called. I called the swing thing parasailing too, and this is parasailing too. Paragliding, and that is parasailing. Something para. Looks fun. Hola. Oi, kissing sounds. That bridge over there is 1 kilometer apparently. This is like a never-ending vlog. So we are in Cyprus. Over there is the fancy part. Over here is the non-fancy part. We are in the non-fancy part. Yeah. Here's the menu. Cyprus. Oh, is that Italy? No. Oh, it's upside down. Here's the buffet.
Some pizza, those are not vegan. And then French fries. Okay guys,
Pizza.
can you zoom in this? I
Hindi
can.
naman video yung...
Okay, so my mom is eating. Here's the food. Okay, what's your food? Oh, you got some pizza.
I hope I don't itch.
Oh, this is a seafood restaurant, but they have a lot of vegan stuff still. So yeah, for the pack with me video, I hope you enjoyed it. I really love to pack stuff. Usually when I'm the one traveling,